Hi, I'm Roger Marin, presenting on efficient instantaneous hot water developments in the oil heat industry. First, I'd like to cover some background. Oil heat customers widely use tankless coil boilers to serve hot water needs. In these systems, the hot water producing tankless coil is inside the boiler and is heated because the boiler maintains an elevated operating temperature. Whenever a hot water fixture is first turned on, a burst of hot water exits the coil, and then makeup water is heated as it flows through the hot water coil. Estimates are that these systems represent half of the installed base as well as half of new boiler shipments. Tankless coil boilers are a low first cost combination heat and hot water boiler. Tankless coil boilers have been used for decades and have well-known problems. Here are a few. The coil flanges can develop leaks. Depending on the model and severity, they may not be repairable. This is especially true if the flange bolts are foul. Lime and minerals build up on the domestic water side of the coil in hard water applications, further limiting hot water production. 3. Hot water volume and temperature does not compare favorably with hot water tank systems, and running out of hot water in active household is not uncommon. 4. Tankless coil boilers maintain high temperatures because of the poor heat transfer to hot water. This is inefficient and costly to operate. 5. The burner sound level is often described as loud and objectionable. 6. Although high output coils are available, a NORA study shows that they actually provide less hot water than the standard coils. Several of these hot water specific problems have been addressed. Companies like ours have boilers integrated with separate domestic hot water tanks with smart controls. These provide ample hot water for multiple showers, laundry, and dishwashing at the same time. Challenges from this solution include both the incremental cost and the extra space of the hot water tank. And for some customers, like an elderly couple in a Cape Cod home, a large supply of hot water is not needed. The U.S. Department of Energy's Brookhaven National Laboratory, in conjunction with NORA and the New York State Energy Research and Development Authority, demonstrated that hot water and heating efficiency of tankless coil boilers is very low. Standby losses in the summer can reduce efficiency to 31%. Despite these known problems, tankless coil boilers continue to sell based on lower first cost and space constraints. Because there are so many tankless coil boilers in the market, NORA and NYSERDA solicited manufacturers to develop a tankless coil boiler to respond to market needs and improved efficiency. Energy Kinetics responded with a proposal and has spent a number of years in an effort to develop a cost-competitive solution. The Ascent boiler is the result of that research and effort. This will describe how that boiler responds to the current market problems with tankless coils. We will also describe a Combi boiler with even greater efficiency designed to provide much improved options for sidewall and chimney lining applications. Those two boilers are the Ascent Combi and the Ascent Plus Combi from Energy Kinetics. The Ascent Combi was introduced in 2017 and is made in USA with nearly all industry standard components. It's conventionally chimney vented and operates up to 87 AFUE. The Ascent Plus Combi is non-condensing and it operates up to 91.3 AFUE. It's vented with polypropylene through the sidewall or flex vent through an existing chimney as a chase. To compete effectively, have strong technician acceptance, and surpass tankless coil alternatives, the Ascent Combi was developed with the following design criteria. These include a competitive price, familiar burner, controls, and components, a drop-in replacement design for tankless coil applications, better efficiency with up to 20% savings over new tankless coil boilers, better hot water temperature, flow, and comfort, a long life and easy-to-service pressure vessel, and operation and serviceability in hard water applications. Options to enhance the attractiveness include whisper-quiet operation with a silent burner cover and hot water operating modes to deliver even better efficiency. The design of the Ascent boiler succeeded in reaching these goals by integrating several conventional technologies. First, a low-mast, fast-response boiler, an oversized plate heat exchanger, converts more of the heat from the burner into hot water much faster and more efficiently than tankless coil boilers. The heavily insulated pressure vessel also minimizes losses, so more energy from each burner cycle is converted into useful heat or hot water. Second, a flow switch provides faster response to all hot water flows and triggers hot water priority when needed. Third, a factory-piped high-performance mixing valve provides very stable hot water temperature over a wide range of boiler temperatures. Fourth, the Ascent hydrostat has smart learning functions that improve efficiency and respond to prior usage patterns for optimized performance. These thermal images from tankless coil testing at NORA capture the well-insulated and responsive low-mass design in a way that the higher annual efficiency and lower idle losses can be visualized. The Ascent Combi is designed for conventional chimneys, operates up to 87 AFUE, and replaces up to 4-section tankless coil boilers. Continuous hot water output is up to 4 gallons per minute with a 77-degree temperature rise. The Ascent Plus Combi is designed for polypropylene sidewall vent or flex chimney venting, operates up to 91.3 AFUE in a non-condensing mode, and continuously produces up to 3.3 gallons per minute of hot water. This hot water delivery is substantially higher and sustained for longer than tankless coil boilers. It should be noted that the gallon per minute rating on tankless coils is substantially higher than actual performance. Both models are suitable for homes with annual oil consumption of up to 2,000 gallons per year. A look at the inside of the Ascent Combi shows a removable stainless steel alloy chamber for clean, stable combustion. This means no draft regulator is required, further reducing annual fuel bills and reducing infiltration in the building. The pressure vessel is a proven 30-year specially formulated steel spiral boiler design with 3 gallons of water. The familiar Ascent hydrostat provides limit, operating, and low water cutoff functions, with the added benefit of integration with a hot water flow switch. The swing-down door offers ease of service. The Ascent Plus Combi is very similar to the Ascent, although the Ascent Plus Combi has a spiral flue pass that's nearly 40% longer for even lower stack temperature. It also has a dilution air fan similar to those used on gas water heaters for sidewall and chimney flex venting with polypropylene. We believe both of these products offer innovative, reliable, and much improved options for the oil heat industry to lead with quiet, efficient operation with plentiful hot water. We appreciate NORA and NYSERDA's vision and support to help develop technology to compete more effectively in our challenging market.